In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email sign-up section to your Shopify store, a great way to engage with customers and build up your customer base. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll manage all aspects of your Shopify store, from inventory and orders to design and marketing. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Find and click on Online Store, and this will drop down some more options. From this list, select Themes. Themes are the foundation of your store's design and layout, and being able to customize them to your liking is key to a unique presentation. Now, you should see your current theme displayed prominently on the screen. You might want to familiarize yourself with the looks of your theme as you make adjustments. We're going to start customizing, so go ahead and hit the Customize button associated with your theme. This will open your theme editor, where all the magic happens. You're now able to add and adjust sections of your site to match your brand and business objectives. Next, take your attention over to the areas under Templates, where you will see an option to Add Section. This functionality is a wonderful way to make your Shopify store more robust and personalized, allowing you to add different features and functionalities. We are specifically interested in adding an email sign-up section in this instance. Click on Add Section, and you'll see a submenu displaying various options. In the submenu, you'll need to look for the option labeled Email Sign-up. This is the section that will allow you to create a simple yet effective way for customers to stay connected with you. Highlight Email Sign-up and select it. Adding this section is something that can really pay dividends, as email marketing is known to be a highly effective strategy for engaging with your audience. Once you've got the email sign-up section plugged in, you'll see an area on the right of the screen. This is where you can start customizing this section to align with your brand's identity and objectives. Consider elements like the text, color, and placement, ensuring it is eye-catching and enticing for your visitors to join your mailing list. Finally, after you've fine-tuned everything to your satisfaction, it's crucial to lock in your hard work. Look towards the top right of the screen, and you'll see the Save button. Click Save to ensure all changes are committed and published to your store. And there you have it, a new email sign-up section added to your Shopify site, ready to help you build meaningful relationships with your customers. Take a moment to review everything to make sure it looks just as you want it. If everything's set, you're all done, and your email sign-up section should now be ready to start collecting those precious emails.